Okay, so again, this is the PCV side, the right side of the engine, which is dirty air coming from the crankcase. And what we're going to do here is follow that on back. See this second hose here, well, first hose. It's going to run to the center inlet, which is the in port. And then, of course, we have our second line here, which runs here to the throttle body, which is putting clean air back into the engine. Okay, and then so from there we have our third line here, which tees off into the turbo left side of the engine to the left side port of the engine. And so how we drain this can is there's a little knob on the top, if you will. Pull up, it will release the fluids in the bottom of the can into, I don't know if you can see it, there's a drain hose down there. And how we ran the drain hose, we're going to come out here down to the underside of the tire on the left side, and here is your drain port.